everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So today's video is again a brain development activity, but before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notification. Moreover, this video is in both languages, Hindi and English. If you want to watch in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और पूरी वीडियो जो है वो आप हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, राइट? So now let's get started with our activities. Used one white thick sheet, right? And here I have written number 1 to 5, and to each number I have given one particular shape, right? And after that here I have written number from 6 to 9, and here I have added 0 as well, and to each number also I have given one particular color. Under this I have mentioned two square boxes, right? I will tell you the use of these two boxes later on, right? So to do this activity you need certain shapes as well. So here are some colorful rectangles. These are of same color which I have mentioned from 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0, and these are the ovals which we will be using in our activity. After there some colorful circles. After this we need some triangles and some squares as well, right? So now let's get started and see how to do this activity. So use number from 1 to 5 for shapes and 6 to 9 and then 0 for colors, right? So using a marker we will start our activity. So using a marker I'll be writing one particular number here, right? 1 to 5 for shapes and 6 to 0 for colors, right? So for example, if I write 27, right? So here what child is supposed to do, first child would look at the number 2 above which represent a square, and then number 7 which represents purple color, right? So child is supposed to pick one square but of purple color. So child would find out of all these squares which is the purple square and would place it here. Now this is the use of these two boxes, right? Here I have used a transparent tape to secure this complete activity. If you have laminator at home, you can use laminate also to laminate the complete activity. The use of using a transparent tape or a laminator, or I mean to laminate this activity, is that using a duster you can erase the number here and can use this activity as many times as you want. So I have just erased it and I am writing the another number here for the example purpose. So I taken 56. So first child would see 5 represents a rectangle and 6 represent red color, right? So a rectangle but of red color. So out of so many rectangles, child would find one rectangle which should be of red color and would place it here. This child is supposed to complete this activity. Again, using a duster you can erase it, and again you can write another number here, right? So this is a fantastic activity for the brain development, for the color recognition, for the number recognition, and so many use of these activities are there. So if I take number 38 here again, so child would look at number 3 which represents a oval and 8 represents peach color. So child would find one oval which should be of peach color, which is here, and would place it here, right? Like this child is supposed to complete this activity. I hope you find this video useful. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in comment section what you think about this activity. Now it's Amish's turn and let's see how he's doing this activity. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.